How to make money fast in SimCity BuildIt. Need Simoleons fast in SimCity BuildIt? Here's the easy guide to quick cash strategies. So, first is to produce fast items. Keep factories running with fast items like burgers, bread rolls, and donuts. These sell quickly and generate steady income. Second, trade in global market. Sell surplus items in the global market. Focus on high demand goods like engines, textiles, and food products for maximum profit. Third is to complete mission and events. Complete missions and join events. They often give large civilian rewards and rare items you can resell. Fourth, expand population for taxes. Build and upgrade high-density residential zones. More citizens mean higher tax revenue, boosting your long-term income. Keep citizens happy with parks, entertainments, and services. Higher happiness increases tax yield. For fast money, produce quick items and trade smart. For long-term wealth, expand population, keep happiness high, and upgrade buildings. And that's the easy guide to making money fast in SimCity Build It.